Hey guys, welcome to Soulful Adventures. This is Hina, and today we are here for doing our next month tarot card reading, and that is for August 2020. It's a Leo season, official Leo season. Yes, it's a time when Sun will travel from his home, that is the fifth house, which is a house of innocence, the inner beauty. It's about inner strength, and I can tell you, it's the time where you will know how to do a self love, how to encourage yourself. It will give you that encouragement. This season will give you that encouragement where you will be outcasting all your creativity and all the I can tell you goals and everything on the stage without a fear. So yes, it's a month of enjoyment, it's a month of fulfillment. Yes, clarity. Definitely whatever is not meant for you will get over in this month, and you will be seeking a clarity for sure. So Leo season is all about the clarity, all about the enjoyment, fulfillment, and yes, goal setting, completion of goals. It's a bright month. It's the energy of the sun, and you will be feeling it. So let's see what are the tarot card readings for our next zodiac sign, and that is Virgo for the month of August 2020. It's a Leo season, and yes, ultimately this season is going to affect everyone. It's energetic, it's passionate energy, the fire energy is going to affect everyone, and hope it brings abundance and love in all of your lives. So let's see what are the card for Virgos for the month of August 2020. I'll just shuffle card detail, and then I'll draw cards and explain you the positions and their meanings. Okay, let's draw cards for Virgo. Great. Okay, nice cards, Virgo. Wow. Knights, horses everywhere, beautiful. Okay, so let's begin reading for Virgo for the month of August 2020. And your first card, Virgo, is Knight of Cups. Now, Knight of Cups, this first card represents the position, that is your current situation, current scenario, current mental situation that you are going through. So according to the Knight of Cups, the card itself is, if you can see, it's really very clear that there is a person, there is a knight that's bringing you the cup of love. Okay, it's bringing you that love in your life which you were waiting for, the opportunity. Maybe it also can happen currently you are going to offer someone this love, right? From past, if we can say from 1-2 months, you were kind of disturbed, I can say kind of bit upset over the situations, external situations that's going around, that were affecting you a lot, Virgos. Okay, and you were not able to express your love, express your feelings, your care for the person. Okay, and you were a bit upset about the I can tell you external situation, and because of that you were a bit very cribbing about your own some problems into life, and that's the reason you were not open to people. But now is the situation in month of August, this Knight of Cups is you. Okay, so your current scenario is you are offering someone the help, you are offering someone the hand, the cup of love, and otherwise if not you, someone is offering you this cup of love, and it is going to come you very quick, because the another card that was a challenge or opportunity card, that's the Chariot. So Chariot is an energy where there is no looking back. Okay, you are moving forward, right? So this opportunity is where you know both the things, the negatives and the positives of a person, the situation. You become more wise, and then you decide to move ahead. When you decide to move ahead, there is someone who is waiting to offer you this cup of love, right? This is an energy where the person has already started the journey, okay, and now he is ready to offer you that cup of love. Get settled, right? So it's a good energy. Currently scenario, the present scenario of you is either you're offering this cup of love, cup of care, the kindness, the nurturing kind behavior of yours, or someone is offering this to you. While the opportunity, I cannot see the chariot as challenge. If we see, okay, let's look at this from both point of view, okay. If we see this as a challenge, it can mean that you need to move forward, right? You know that someone is offering you this cup of love, someone is waiting for your love or the way to react, right, to respond, but you are not able to respond or react or accept the offer because you are stuck somewhere and you are not able to move ahead because of some past toxic memories, okay. It's okay, we are humans and we need time to deal with it. That's great, but if this is an opportunity, then why not seek this opportunity to move ahead? Why not take the advantage of this energy in the universe, where universe is trying to tell you, I am with you, people are offering you with this cup of love and care, now you need to move forward. Correct, Virgos? So you need to move forward. This is your challenge this month. Try not to be stuck somewhere where there is no way, right? There is a, it's like, if you are really willing to move ahead, you will find your way. Correct? So do accept, do trust this offer and move ahead, guys. Okay, now what's the third card? The third card is Ace of Pentacles, while the position means your strength, right? The positive outcome. Now Ace of Pentacles is a card where there is a hope of new beginning related to your money. Maybe you were upset because of financial crunch in past 2-3 months. Now it's time to move ahead and execute whatever you have planned, right? Ace of Pentacles is money coming. It's like divine timing where you need to start working, putting the efforts, and whatever you will work, it will yield profits, right? So if you are willing to start new business or willing to start new job or something related to your finance or money, then do go ahead this month, because this is going to be strength in this month, right, guys? So Virgos, do focus on how to invest, how to earn this month, and yes, you are going to get the fruits for this, right? Now your past energy, Virgos, is Five of Cups. Five of Cups, fourth card, which represents the past influence. It means that in the past, as I told you, why moving ahead is a challenge in present scenario, because in the past there was something, you haven't learned some lessons yet. I feel there are some unlearned lessons yet in your life where you are not able to grasp or whether to remember what exactly went wrong from your side, or what exactly you need to forgive people for. Maybe there were no closures in a breakup, in a relationship that broke up, or maybe there were no closures from your friend, they just came and went away. So that's the reason you are still stuck in a situation where there is no closure and you are not able to move ahead, because you don't exactly know the reason from what should I move ahead. If that's the condition, I personally will suggest you, when universe is telling you to move ahead, there is nothing left in this cups, man. There is nothing left. So it's better to move ahead and just learn a lesson that when there is nothing in the past, it's better to move ahead and not remain stuck over there, because there is nothing and no one coming to save you. Okay, so now the past, please don't get this energy attracted in your present, because that's of no use, because what we have in future is the Knight of Wands. So this is a energy full of fire, full of passion, a knight in armor, a shining armor. He is ready to move on. He has already moved on, presently and in coming future, maybe in next few weeks, you can see this, maybe next week or next 2 weeks, you can see this energy that you will be flowing with full of fire energy, and you would like to do all the creative things, all the, I can say, work very passionately, and that's going to yield you lots of money. So it's no use to stay in this energy. It's time, guys, it's time to move on. Sun is in its own house. This is Leo season. I will suggest you, this is the perfect timing, Virgos, where you need to move on, because when you will enter into Virgo season is kind of a relaxing season. It's like going to your roots, grounding season, being very caring, nurturing, creative, as well as very wise, patient, practical. So before becoming all this perfect kind of thing, because Virgos are perfectionists, right? So before becoming this perfect thing, you need to clear out minimum imperfections in your life, right? Nobody is perfect, right? But Virgos are more perfect than all other zodiac signs, I can tell you that. So before going on to that energy, let first clear all your past energies which are not good for you, and move ahead with new passion and new energy, guys. Okay, so this is what is the future showing you. Coming 1-2 weeks, you will see this passion, this fire energy, and you will be ready to work and pull up your socks, guys. This is the time for Virgos. Now, Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is an energy. This is a future outcome. Now a final future outcome is that maybe in the month of September or August, and you will see that there would be a situation where you will have choices. You will need to make some choices regarding material life, that is maybe financial choices, whether to do a job or to start a business, or whether to do a job in which company there may be too many of us, or whether to start a business, but which one would be a decision making question that would arise. So related to your finances, or sometimes related to your relationships also, whether to stick, because sometimes if it is not usually happening, but if past is coming back again, whether to select and stay in a past or to move ahead or not is a question. So it's your duty to take a proper decision. So you might have this final outcome, whether to stick back or move ahead. So I would suggest you move ahead, guys, because you have learned enough of staying back, and there is no use. So it's better to move ahead, right? So with this final outcome of Two of Pentacles, where there are choices, when there are money confusions going around, this is mostly a financial crunch question. So whether to choose a job or a business, whether to invest in which funds, there are two funds, whether to whether to invest or not, again that's a decision to make. Whether to start a job or not, or wait for a good opportunity, whether to start a business or not, or wait for a good opportunity, that's the question. But this month your strength is Ace of Pentacles, guys. So Ace of Pentacles is an energy where there is a divine timing. You manifest and it will come true. So it's better you put efforts now, you manifest, and yes, it will come true. With your efforts you will be getting this money. So money is coming. Try to focus much on your career and move ahead, because this month is like both love and money is coming. So this is the time, guys, you are waiting for, Virgos. So before entering your birthday season, that is September, Virgo season, why not to make more perfect life, and you will enjoy your perfectionist season next month. Okay, also your overall energy in this month would be 8 of Cups, right? So yes, if we can see, your overall energy this month would be thinking what to learn from past, how to learn from past, and how to move ahead, how to learn to move ahead. And once you look forward, there is no looking back, because if you can see, there is this moon, right, guys? And this moon is think wisely. There is a sea. Once you are going to this sea, there is no looking back on the empty cups, right? These are empty cups, guys. There is no looking back. So try to move ahead. Your overall energy is telling you to move ahead. Your present scenario is telling to move ahead. Your future scenario is like, I am moving ahead with all the passion. Your past is telling there is nothing in the past kept, and there is a strength of energy for your finances. So why not to move ahead, guys? Virgos, please move ahead and don't stuck in something where you are going to get hurt and you will feel very upset about it. It's not worth it, right? So before your birthday season, Virgo, please try to bring or attract the peace and prosperity and perfect life for you, right? I wish you peace, perfect and awesome life and awesome birthday month for next month, next season, that's Virgo season. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.